Had it instant server is down again, man. Oh, I know you are about to put that video, right?
Oh my god.
But what if there is a future where there are no Instagram servers? If that servers that doesn't go down.
Wait, tell me more about it.
Yes, that's Web3. But imagine if I was a baby. Whoa. Well, if I was a baby, I could only read stuff, right? I can't do stuff, I can't write and all. Well, that's how it is right now, right? In Web 1, you could only read stuff. You couldn't write stuff like comment, share, create videos, only read like post and stuff. It is pretty much decentralized, controlled by big companies. But boom, Web 2 shows up, our moody teenager, where I kind of, myself actually, where you can write stuff, read stuff, but you kind of don't have control, right? You can upload videos, you can comment on videos, but whose platform? Facebook, Instagram, right? They own all the stuff. If they want, they can delete your stuff, right? This isn't someone else's house. The teenager is living in their family's house, right? But now as an adult, whoa. You have the power to yourself, right? No one else is there to tell you what to do. Don't upload this video, don't upload this photo, right? There is no Facebook to tell you, don't upload that video, don't upload this photo. No, you have the power to yourself. That's kind of decentralization. And why? Because there is no Facebook. This is the Web3 network, right? In that network, why is it known as a network? Well, because I'll tell you, the people who use Web3, right, they will have a little bit of your videos, your data and your photos in their computers. And your computer will have little bit of their stuff in your computer. So everyone will have a bit. Rather than having a whole big server, what Facebook and all do. So what happens here? Thus, there is no big company controlling everything. You have the control to yourself. I hope that was not too boring and too big. But here the concepts of decentralization, blockchain and all come in. To know more, check this video out.
Like, let's take an example of Pokemon cards, right? Where you collected those, they're yours. When you trade them, they are yours. Just like that, the photos, videos and all, they are yours. There is your computer. You have it in your hands. You are the master. You own everything. Once everything is decentralized in Web3, is literally crazy. And like, just take the example of cryptocurrency, man. They are decentralized, and that is going to the currency of the Web3 world era. You can do more from the cryptocurrency video, but like, it's you really need to know about it because that's the future. There are Web3 games, there are Web3 apps that you should try because they actually revolutionize the world. Hey, I just said to make this video as short as possible so it reaches to more people. Do share this video because people do really need to know this. Anyway, subscribe also. Bye.
I know all this Web3, that decentralization and all sounds complicated. But even people thought using mail, sending mail was complicated in 1995. So trust me, this is actually really simple. And I'm really excited about all this, man. But anyway, another future tech is AI. Check that out here. And another future tech is crypto. Check that out here. Any other tools you need, everything else is here on my channel. Subscribe it. And my name is Raul. You're watching Raul Rockstar. And I am... 1 minute! Guys, go to Oxygen, man. In Oxygen, you will find like AI smartphones and all those kind of stuff. Like, you should actually go there because there's a lot of discounts and all happening. I used to buy my phones and all from there. So you should really check it out. It's actually really good. And I'll say it like this. Anyway, my name is Raul. You're watching Raul Rockstar. And I am signing out.